Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Monday, May 13th, 2024. So really not a whole lot went on today. We had a couple, just moves up and down that kind of ruined our credit spread, even though we closed the day just down one. It was this move that really just got us stopped out. So it was a break-even day. There was no harm, no foul, but it was, things were looking good on it. But in any case, I'm still on the side right now that you got to be very, very, very careful with just jumping on the long side blindly, because we have sell signals on the 60-minute charts, and we're just in some really, really heavy resistance levels here. So this is just a 5-minute chart. This is the range we're in right now. We have the low part down at the 52.10. The top is up at this at the 52.37. So whatever one breaks out, that's really going to be the winner of this little battle right here. But we know. Today we had a gap up, and from there it's sold off, and this is we've seen this before. We've seen these gap ups and they're selling off. So there's sellers here, and there's going to be there's going to be a battle, and if we can see if the bulls can break above, they really have to get above this 52.40. If they do that, then really what we'd be looking at is the next pivot's going to be up at this 52.55, and if they get above it, then we're looking at new all-time highs. But as I've been saying, if we make new all-time highs in May, it's actually a longer-term bearish signal here that would be in play. And right now, I'm looking at things just on an intermediate term. But as I said, as far as cycle-wise, if we do make a new high in in May, it's going to be a longer-term bearish situation that's going to be arising. So short term right now, if these are the highs and we still continue to do some backing and filling, then it's going to be something that will probably have a drop into the end of May, maybe early June. But then again, it's going to probably be rallying back up again. So I'm not looking for any type of major crash move right now. But it's right now there's these sell signals that are in place, and you can see every time the bulls try to gap it up, they're getting sold off. So if the bears can get through this support zone right here, the 5208 down to the 5200, then we're going to see a quick drop down to this support right here to pivot at the right around that 5175 level. And if it gets below that, then we have the 5156, and then we're coming back down to testing these support levels. So the bears, they have some work to do, but so do the bulls. And as I said, when we just take a look at the daily chart, it's pretty overextended here, and this drop right here, is that all these sell signals are going to produce is something, what was this really quick drop in and back up again? It might, but as I said, it's a longer term it's a bearish situation that would be setting up if that does happen in May. So for tomorrow, it's fairly simple. If the bulls can get above the 52.40, next pivot's going to be up at the 52.55, and then we have obviously the all-time highs. The bears are going to have to get it through this support level. If they do, then I'm anticipating us to see a test down at that 51.75 level. So that's really about it. It's today open-minded for tomorrow, but as I said, it's I'm not really trusting this market right now, and really the main reason are these big sell signals right here. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.